Hello everyone, this is Vamsi. Today's our topic is about operating systems. Define operating systems. An operating system is a piece of software that acts as a conduct between hardware and programs that run on a computer. It is in the charge of overseeing all of computer's hardware resources, including its memory, CPU, storage, and permission, like display and printers. In order to support a variety of applications, the operating system also offers necessary functions. Key functions of an operating systems. First one, resources allocation. The operating system is an essential in allocating and managing key hardware software resources such as CPU, cycle, memory, and storage among various programs and users. The coordination ensures that simultaneous process do not conflict. And the second function is user interaction. Operating system offers interfaces like graphical users interface GUI or command line interfaces CLI, facilitating user interaction within computers, functions, and services. The third key function is file organization. Operating system managing data storage on disk through structured systems of files, directories, and subdirectories, while also controlling access permissions to secure data integrity. The fourth one is multitasking efficiency. In multitasking efficiency, an operating system optimizes the efficiency of multitasking by managing the prioritization and allocation of CPU time to various systems and application tasks. It oversees the execution of application and their associated process and threads. And the fifth function is data security. In data security, operating system plays a crucial role in securing stored data by regulating users' access, permissions, and safeguarding against authorized instructions. The sixth one is stability and error management. In stability and error management, designed to maintain system stability, operating systems detect and recover from software or hardware malfunctions, minimizing impact of errors and system shares of user activities. Mm, the second topic is importance of an operating system. In importance of an operating systems, we have six subbuttons. One is effectiveness. In effectiveness, enhances the overall effectiveness of the system by efficiently allocating resources and handling jobs. The second one is convenience for the users. Gives people user-friendly environment and interface so they can engage with computers without having to grasp intricate hardware specifics. Third one is safety, guarantees that threats and illegal access to the system and user data are avoided. And the fourth one is application assistance, gives user platform to run and manage applications software, guaranteeing its flawless operations and hardware interaction. Abstraction, fifth one is abstraction of hardware, simplifies application development by abstract hardware complexity and offers standardized interface for hardware interaction. And the sixth one is stability of the system. In stability of the system, controls crashes and system problems to guarantee data integrity is maintained and smooth system recovery. The second topic is goals of an operating system. The primary goals of an operating system are essential to its role as the backbone of computer operations. These goals reflect to the OS core functions and responsibilities designed to provide a stable and efficient computing environment. Here are the primary goals. First one is efficient resources management. In efficient resource management, Operating systems are tasked with managing and allocating systems resources such as CPU, memory, storage, and peripheral devices. For example, in Microsoft Windows, the task manager provides user with insights into resource usage by various processes, aiding in efficient resource management. User interface provision. An OS furnishes user interface for interacting with the computer system, be it a graphical user interface like Mac OS, Windows, or command line interface like mm, Unix and Linux. These interface creators to users with different technical skills, enabling effective utilization of complex computer systems. The third one is file management. OS handles storage, retrieval, organization, and security of files on storage devices. Linux for the instance employs a recursive file system structure facilitating logical organization of files and directories, enhancing data management and accessibility. And the fourth one is tasks and process management. Operating systems schedule and prioritize tasks to optimize application performance, crucial in environment with multiple running applications. Android OS employs priority based scheduling to manage numerous mobile applications, ensuring smooth functionality despite hardware limitations. And the fifth one is security and access control. OS safeguard computer resources data through user access control mechanism like accounts, password, and permissions. Windows OS includes security features such as Windows Defender and user account control to protect against malware and unauthorized access. Error detection and handling. Optimize operating system detect and respond to software and hardware errors to maintain system integrity and reliability. Mac OS Time Machine instance provides continuous backup, enabling system restoration in case of failures, minimizing data loss and downtown downtime. And seventh one is networking. OS enables and managing networking capabilities, handling protocols and interfaces need for the computer connectivity over networks. For example, Linux excels in this aspect with robust network configuration support, facilitating effective communication and data exchange across networks. The next topic is components of a computer system. Components of a computer system. First one is hardware. In hardware, the role is the central processing unit like CPU, memory, storage, input devices, output devices, and peripheral devices are comprise the hardware, which is the actual component of the computer system. Interaction with the operating system. Hardware components are coordinated and managed by the operating system. It serves as a bridge between the user or applications and the hardware to ensure that the hardware resources are used effectively and efficiently. The OS offers drivers and the other software simplifies communication between the hardware and higher levels. And the second one is operating system function. The operating system is the program that oversees and controls computer hardware and other programs. In addition to managing system resources and facilitating applications, program execution in offers offers a user interface, interaction with other components. The operating system acts as a conduit between the application software and hardware. It converts the human commands into hardware executable mission level instructions. Additionally, it offers necessary services and API that let software application communicate with hardware without requiring them to handle hardware configuration directly. And the next one is application programs. In application programs are pieces of software made to carry out particular activities for users like data analysis, web browsing, word processing, and gaming. Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, and Adobe Photoshop are the few examples. Interaction with OS. To run application need to the operating system, they carry out tasks and gain access to hardware resources via OS API. A web browser, for example, asks materials on the screen. The OS takes care of low level tasks so that applications can concentrate on higher features. In users, role of users is people who engage with computers to carry out different jobs are known as users. To tasks like document creations, web browsing, and gaming, they use application programs. User interaction. Users may have direct or indirect interaction with the operating system. Direct engagement takes place by typing instruction or clicking icons on the OS user interfaces. User interact indirectly when they use applications which communicate with the operating system to carry out tasks. The OS makes that the user interface is responsive and easy to use, and that commands from the user and carried out currently. And the last one is overview of interaction. Hardware and OS. The OS maintains the regulates the hardware elements, giving application programs a reliable and consistent environment. OS and application programs to facilitate development and guarantee compatibility. Application programs rely on the OS to supply the required services and hardware resources access. User and OS through the user interface, which enables them to operate application programs and control that computers or communicate with the operating systems. To provide a flawless user's experience, the OS control systems outputs and user inputs. Thank you. This is about my operating systems concept. Thank you. Thank you everyone.